Good morning, dear students. In the last video, we completed the question answer of History chapter 1, and today we will do the question answer of Geography chapter 1, Environment. And like the first video, you will play the video and you will pause the video and you will write the question and answer very easily. You will not face any kind of difficulty in writing the question answer. Okay, dear students, let's start. I will read the question and answer as well. Exercise D. Distinguish between biotic and abiotic environment. Biotic environment. Biotic environment includes all the life form present in all the spheres, plants, animals, and human beings. Plants, animals, and human beings. Abiotic environment. Abiotic environment includes land, water, and air. Second question. Atmosphere and hydrosphere. Atmosphere, the gases enveloping or surrounding the earth with a gravitational force, is known as atmosphere. Hydrosphere. Hydrosphere refers to the domain of water on the earth's surface. Natural and man-made environment. Natural environment includes non-living or living components of the earth. Man-made environment, this is the environment which has been developed by man himself for his convenience. Exercise E. Answer in one word or sentence. What is the narrow contact zone with the land of water and air which supports life, known as biosphere? The surrounding, which includes the biotic and abiotic components, environment. Planet containing all the four realms of the earth. It is itself the earth. Gases envelop the earth with a gravitational force. Atmosphere. Environment, which deals with the factors like road, railways, telecommunication, etc. Man-made environment. Short answer questions. Which are the two major components of biotic environment? Explain in brief. Human and plants are the two major components of the biotic environment. What do you understand by the term biosphere? What is its importance? The realms which are concerned with all forms of life in all the three realms of the earth, namely atmosphere, lithosphere, and hydrosphere. Explain the term atmosphere along with its importance. The gases envelop the earth with a gravitational force. Atmosphere causes the changes in the weather and climatic conditions. What is environment? Explain briefly. Surrounding, which lend to affect the growth and development of plants, animals, and human beings. Explain various sorts of disturbances caused by the human activities and their effects. Pollution of various types like air, water, land, and noise has increased. Global warming is taking place, due to which the temperature of Earth's atmosphere has increased. Exercise G. Long answer question. What is an ecosystem? A system consisting of biotic and abiotic component is known as ecosystem. All these components in the ecosystem are interrelated and interact with each other. What do you understand by natural environment? Natural environment encompasses the physical and living components of the earth. A biotic component includes soil, water, and air. Biotic components include plants, animals, and human beings. What do you understand by the term lithosphere? What is its importance? The thin and solid upper covering of the earth is known as the lithosphere. comprises both continents 29% and ocean beds 71%. Give 4 examples of human-made environment and explain each one of them in details. Human-made environment deals with the factors related to man. It comprises factors like roads, railways, communication and telegraph line building etc. तो स्टूडेंट्स ये चैप्टर फिनिश हो गया, इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर भी फिनिश हो गए। अब नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों को चैप्टर 1 फ्रॉम सिविक्स उसके क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट करके वीडियो बनाऊंगा। पहले आप लोग इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर को फिनिश कर लें। वीडियो को प्ले करके आराम से पॉज करेंगे और पॉज कर के आराम से आप लोग क्वेश्चन आंसर लिख लेंगे। साथ में मैंने रीड भी किया है, आप लोगों को वर्ड पहचानने में ज़्यादा आसानी होगी। ओके स्टूडेंट्स, गुड बाय।